The traditional blue-collar automotive market is digitally transforming. Autonomous driving and advanced safety development is becoming the most common data being created in the world. The automotive industry is struggling to deal with this transformation due to an explosion of data and how widely distributed it is. This data holds the keys to tomorrow's breakthroughs, but only if manufacturers can bring it to the rich AI/ML ecosystem rising in the cloud. Qumulo can help with two exciting new solutions: Azure Native Qumulo, ANQ, and Qumulo Global Namespace. Here's how. First, Azure Native Qumulo frees automotive data to move to the cloud to accelerate AI modeling by providing the world's first enterprise-grade, petabyte-scale, application and regulation-compliant cloud-native file system with better than on-premises economics. ANQ saves as much as 80% compared to other cloud-native file services. In fact, ANQ combines the durability, elasticity, and scale of cloud object storage with the performance and application compatibility of a file system at a lower TCO than on-premises storage. Automotive data scientists, app dev teams, and data curators are freed to use cost-effective virtualized GPU resources in the cloud against the entire multi-petabyte, multi-protocol Qumulo file system. Second, Qumulo's new unified data plane, Qumulo Global Namespace, federates data from remote garages, test facilities, factories, and cloud resources into a highly flexible and intelligent global namespace. Qumulo Global Namespace provides visibility and access to the global datasets as if they were local, with minimal data migration efforts. This creates an on-ramp to cloud systems for advanced compute and AI/ML analysis, all without refactoring workloads or applications. Qumulo's AI-driven prefetch technology analyzes workloads and preemptively requests and caches the most likely files to be read next. This empowers your team to access the data they need with the performance they expect. Qumulo liberates widely dispersed data, offering a seamless transition to the cloud. The power of Microsoft and Qumulo enables automotive advances like never before. Find out more at Qumulo.com.